How to see watch history on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to see watch history on TikTok. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the TikTok app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you're inside the profile section, just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here from the pop-up menu, just select settings and privacy. And now here, once you're inside the settings and privacy section, simply scroll down and there you'll see the option labeled as activity center. So there you can simply scroll down and search for that option, and after that you can just tap on it. And now here, once you're inside the activity center, you can find the option labeled as watch history, so just tap on it. And now here in this section you'll be able to watch all the videos that you have watched past on TikTok. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.